Huawei Cloud Firewall Video. Allowing traffic from a service to a platform. You can use Cloud Firewall (CFW) to protect your elastic IP addresses (EIPs). After EIP protection is enabled, you need to configure protection rules to make the protection take effect. After protection is enabled, CFW allows all traffic by default. You can configure protection rules to block or allow traffic. This video shows how to allow the traffic from a service to a platform. Perform the following steps. Enable EIP protection. Add a domain name group. Add protection rules. View protection logs. First, enable EIP protection. Log into the Huawei Cloud Management Console. Choose Security and Compliance. Cloud Firewall. The CFW page is displayed. In the navigation pane on the left, choose Assets. EIPs. The EIPs page is displayed. Select an EIP and enable protection for it. After protection is enabled, traffic will pass through CFW. Second, add a domain name group. In the navigation pane on the left, choose Access Control. Object Groups. Click the Domain Name Groups tab. On the Application Domain Name Group subtab, click Add Domain Name Group. Enter a group name. Here X_platform is used as an example. In the domain name text box, enter domain names, for example, cfwtest.com and *example.com. Click Parse and check the parsing result. Click OK. The domain name group is added. Third, add protection rules. Add a rule that blocks all outbound traffic. In the navigation pane on the left, choose Access Control. Internet Border Protection Rules. On the EIP subtab, click Add Rule. On the Add Rule page, configure protection information. Enter a rule name, for example, block all outbound traffic. Set direction to outbound. Set source to any. Set destination to any. Set service to any. Set application to any. Set protection action to blocked. Exercise caution when configuring a blocking rule. Here we should disable it first. Click OK. Add a rule to allow the traffic to a platform. On the EIP subtab, click Add Rule. On the Add Rule page, configure protection information. Enter a rule name, for example, allow the traffic from an EIP to a platform. Set direction to outbound. For source, select IP address and enter an IP address. Set destination to domain name or domain group and select the created domain name group under Application. Select Service under Service and retain the default values for other parameters. Select HTTP and HTTPS for application. Set protection action to allowed. Enable the rule. Set priority to pin on top. Click OK. After confirming that the rule settings are correct, enable the blocking rule. Fourth, view protection logs. In the navigation pane on the left, choose Log Audit. Log Query. Click the Access Control Logs tab page. Check the protection rule hits.